Hey there, YouTube friends. I hope you and your investments are doing well. This video's got 3 updates for you. 1, what is the current status of my goals in light of the recent market behavior? 2, what stocks did I purchase last week due to this fun roller coaster of a ride of the market? And finally, 3, I'm going to give an update on my spreadsheet. Let's get into the video. Okay, also quickly, you gotta stick to the very end. You are going to want to see the Christmas tree that I have. Stick to the very end, check it out. All right, here back to the video. Hey, my name's Steve Coleman and I am a dividend stock investor. I am putting $150 every week into my tax-free savings account on the Wealthsimple Trade platform. My goal by the end of this calendar year is to have put in $10,000 into my account. Based on the market fluctuations on Black Friday, and again then I think it was Cyber Monday where things took a dip, it is starting to look less likely that I'm going to hit that target unless there seems to be a major recovery in the month of December. There are only 4 more buying opportunities, 1 this week and 3 after that. So that's only $600 additional of capital I'm putting into the account, but obviously the market can do anything it wants. So unless there's a major recovery in the market or I put more money in, I'm not going to hit that $10,000 goal. So wait to find out. That's why it's always important to hit that like button, subscribe, come on this journey with me. It's a long-term ride, but jump in and out anytime you want. More than welcome to share this experience with you. So it's going to be fun, capital F. As I mentioned, the stock market took a bit of a tumble on November 27th, Black Friday, and again I think it was either on Cyber Monday or on the Tuesday, where it took another tumble. Again, this all revolving around Omicron, the new COVID variant, and just a little bit of fear in the market, so people were taking money out of stocks and putting into something that they felt was a little bit more secure. As a result, a lot of major stocks dropped, and this is a great buying opportunity, especially since, myself and many others that I see in the comments, we're applying a dollar cost averaging strategy to our stocks. So we're putting money every week into stocks. So we're buying it when they're high, we're buying them when they're low, and it all kind of works out in the end. And studies show that person ends up in a better position when they apply that practice versus just trying to time the market and buy it when it's low and then sell when it's high. So as a result, this was a great opportunity for me to buy a stock into Royal Bank of Canada, ticker symbol RY, so RBC. So this is one of Canada's major banks. It's one of the positions I think I bought way back in the beginning, back in March, when I put $3,000 in the account in the beginning, put $1,000 into Royal Bank. This stock has performed very, very well for me. I think at the high it was like $132, and so then at the time of when I decided to buy some last week, it was down around like the 126, 127. So it was a significant dip, and I only see that stock kind of going back up. So this was kind of okay. Now's the time to buy this stock. So, and again, since I only put $150 every week, that was going to take quite a bit of capital away from me to kind of then put into other stocks, but that's fine. So I bought only 1 position of Royal Bank, and then once that sale went through, I decided to put the money through against other stocks based on my spreadsheet, which showed that the dollar cost averaging potential was way better. So one of those stocks was Chorus Entertainment. So it has really dropped in price recently, which starting to have me a little concerned. What does the market know that I don't? And there seems to be less confidence in that company. So I think I might hold off putting more money into that company because of this behavior. But still great dividend investing stock to put money into. And now is a great buying opportunity. So it's low. So I probably will still, and now I'm contradicting myself, If an opportunity does arise, I probably will start putting more money into it, but there are other stocks in my portfolio that, trying to keep a nice, even diversification, that I'll probably put some money in there too. And one of those is Diversified Royalty Corp, which usually when I have like $6 or so left over, I'll buy 2 stocks of Diversified Royalty Corp. Again, another high dividend paying company. Currently it's sitting around 8%. So, and it pays monthly, so it just helps kind of produce that monthly passive income. And yeah, it's a pretty decent stock. I've talked about this one before. You can check out some of these past videos, which I can link at the end. And the final update that, as I mentioned at the beginning, had to do with my spreadsheet that I have available for sale. There's a link down in the description, $2.50, and you can track your stocks as well. Shows you everything that you need to know. So over the weekend, I noticed that some of my dividends were not showing up, how much future dividends I would be receiving. So I took a look at my spreadsheet, and there was nothing wrong with the formulas. So I then looked at Yahoo Finance, where it's pulling that information from, and sure enough, that was where the problem was. Those fields on Yahoo Finance were showing up as not applicable, which clearly in some of these cases, like yes, these companies do pay a dividend. There should be a dividend yield, but they might have been doing some maintenance routine work on their site over the weekend, and therefore that information was not available to pull into the spreadsheet. So I apologize if that caused anybody confusion, but again, I just want to assure you that has nothing to do with the spreadsheet. It had to do with the source information and from where it's coming from. So, but even on that topic of the spreadsheet, I am always trying to look for ways to improve it. So if you have any suggestions, I would love to hear it. Either if you're a user, or if you're gleaning something from watching these videos, I'm always here trying to make an improvement. One new addition to the spreadsheet that's going to be coming very, very shortly is the recording of U.S. stocks. So on the Wealthsimple Trade platform, there's the exchange fee that you have to pay. So that needs to kind of get recorded into the spreadsheet in the activities. So we're going to work out a way to figure that out, and just how best to kind of display that, and just that way your tracking of everything is as accurate as possible. So I really appreciate the feedback that I got from that user. So thank you very much. And there we go. If you made it this far, oh my gosh, here's the real reason why you stay this far. Here is the Star Wars Christmas tree. So that's it, guys. Keep it in the green. We'll see you in the next video, and fingers crossed that we see a major improvement in December, because I really want to see that $10,000. Come on, let's get up there. All right, take care, everybody. Bye.